Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Gumroad checkouts. So actually guys, first you will need to create your products. So go with the gumroad.com website, log in with your account and click on the dashboard button at the top right corner. And then just go with products right here, click on the new products at the top right, and then just choose your product: digital, course or tutorial, ebook, membership, bundle. So for example, we'll go with digital and just name it. Okay, so I will go with a random name, just an example. Here, choose the currency for the price and enter your price. Then go with next and customize. So here where you can set up the description, just the product name, the price, even you can upload your file if it's digital, or set shipping details if it's physical, and fill all the blanks right here, and even you can add the content just right here. Then just go with publish and continue. Okay, so first things first, just go with save changes, then publish, continue. And now you will need to go with the settings on the left hand menu, and then just go with the payments, and right here you will need to enter your bank card details or PayPal's details. And after that, go with checkout option at the left hand menu, and here where you can apply a discount to that specific product on the discounts. And on the checkout form you will need to go with add custom fields, so in your checkout form to get more information, as you can see right here, from your customers, such as their name, email, number, and more specific instructions. Also, you can apply a discount or allow it just from here, turn it on or never. And from here where you can recommend your products or not, and also you can allow the tipping, so if your customer want to add tips to their orders, then just go with save changes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.